Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to upload a PDF to Google Play Books. First, go to Google Chrome and search for play.google.com. Once you have logged in with your ID, go to your library. Now keep in mind that Google Playbook does not allow you to upload PDF from mobile, so you have to do it in desktop. Once you are in this interface, choose Upload Files. And you have two options. You can either manually upload files from the device by clicking on Browse, or you can upload the PDF by going to Google Drive and clicking the folder where the PDF is saved. Now click on this and select Insert. As you can see, we have successfully uploaded the PDF in Google Playbook. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.